Leveling surveyors in Noida Sector 62 play a crucial role in the construction and development of projects in the area. Noida Sector 62 is a rapidly growing commercial and industrial hub, attracting numerous businesses and investors. With the increasing demand for land and infrastructure, accurate and precise leveling surveys are essential for ensuring the stability and safety of construction projects. Leveling surveyors use advanced equipment and techniques to measure and analyze the elevation differences across a particular area. By identifying any variations in the ground level, leveling surveyors can provide valuable information for designing foundations, drainage systems, and other crucial aspects of construction projects. Their expertise and skills are indispensable in ensuring that buildings and structures are constructed on a solid and stable foundation. Scon Design is a reputable consulting firm that specializes in providing comprehensive surveying services in Noida Sector 62. They have a team of experienced leveling surveyors who are well-versed in the latest surveying methodologies and technologies. Scon Design understands the importance of accurate leveling surveys in the construction industry and strives to deliver precise and reliable results to their clients. With their expertise, they assist clients in identifying any potential issues related to ground elevation and provide solutions to mitigate these risks. The services provided by leveling surveyors in Noida Sector 62 extend beyond just measurements. By analyzing the data collected during the leveling survey, they can identify areas that may require additional attention or adjustments in the construction process. Leveling surveyors also work closely with architects, engineers, and contractors to ensure that their findings are incorporated into the design and construction plans effectively. Leveling surveyors in Noida Sector 62 are essential in the development and building of projects in the area. Noida Sector 62 is a fast-expanding commercial and industrial area that attracts a wide range of enterprises and investors. With the increasing demand for land and infrastructure, precise leveling surveys are critical for assuring the stability and safety of construction projects. Leveling surveyors utilize sophisticated equipment and procedures to measure and analyze elevation changes in a specific area. Leveling surveyors can provide essential information for constructing foundations, drainage systems, and other critical parts of construction projects by identifying any changes in ground level. Their knowledge and abilities are critical in ensuring that buildings and structures are built on a sturdy and stable foundation. Scon Design is a reputable consulting agency in Noida Sector 62 that specializes in delivering thorough surveying services. They have a staff of skilled leveling surveyors who are up to date on the most recent surveying procedures and technologies. Scon Design recognizes the importance of proper leveling surveys in the building sector and aims to provide clients with exact and dependable data. They use their experience to assist clients in identifying potential ground elevation issues and providing solutions to mitigate these risks. The services of leveling surveyors in Noida Sector 62 go beyond simple measurements.